So what we ended up doing was saying, this is what we support as a group. These are our opinions in the space. This is why we've gone down this path, and it's open for discussion. And so if we are not doing this in the best way, then we're willing to make the change. Now, the tricky part, though, is that some of these discussions turn into more philosophical debates. You always hear about the developers arguing about tabs versus spaces, or whatever it might be. But in some cases, we just have to make a decision and say, look, this is how we're going to operate as a company, or this is what we will support as a developer group on the engineering effectiveness side. You can go off and do the thing that you want to go do, but just keep in mind, if you do that, it's kind of like forking a repository. You're now fully responsible for everything that comes with supporting yourself. And, we don't really want people to go in that direction, but we're not going to sit there and stop them if they actually have a business need to move forward in that way. And in fact, that might later evolve to new support that we would have in the future. But that would have to come with some sort of standardization, centralization. So maybe it's not standardized in the beginning, but like if you actually want support for this, if we want to do this in an efficient way, then we probably need to look at what needs to change so that we can support this more broadly as a group.